So with this thing, I couldn't get to the top bolts here, so I pretty much had to put the license plate in here, screw these ones on with this out of the car, and then I basically had to, move it around, get the one bolt in there, or the one screw in there, and then I could get the other one in here. But you might be able to figure it out better than I can. Okay, and then so like I guess this one comes down. Like if you take, I guess I was talking about up here, but yeah, I put the license plate in there, screw these down with it all out, and then I put these bottom two in after that. But it all had to been like in all at once, but it's pretty sturdy on there, top ones I couldn't get in, but because like you see it's like covered up. I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, I mean you probably flip it and do maybe similar with some sort, but no. And then I ran the cord. Oh no, you can flip it, that's right, because where the cord comes out. So I put in the cord up in here, and it's coming through right here. And it's probably, I just drilled a hole, and then covered it with some fire type sealant kind of stuff in here. I never trimmed it because I didn't really care that much, but it then goes up here. And I got it running in here. Where's that? Right there. But it's coming through a hole I drilled up in there. I don't know if that's going to be the final resting place for it, but I haven't actually strapped it down yet. And then I got everything going in there, which not all that's actually wired up correctly yet. So I got to do that final resting place for all that too. I was trying to get everything rushed together for an event. Let me see here. These were kind of confusing here. They're really fucking brittle. LED, this just goes to a light, which I think I just like shoved under my dash, and then your 12 volt B goes to this whole A, B is if you bought two license plates. So like if you have a front and a rear, it would control both of them at the same time. So I just put like one or the other. But yeah, that's your 12 volt. And I got the license plate one I have hooked into a 5 amp. I'm not exactly sure if that's the right voltage for that, so don't quote me on that one. But yeah, I just ran all the wires into here, and I may have mounted the ground to the torque tunnel, or maybe a multi-ground, or maybe back here, I forget which one, but yeah, that's all I think there is to it. But one thing I did notice is if the wires are not in there all the way, connected to the power or whatever, it won't work. Like the lights will still come on, but I guess the little motor back here, if it doesn't see the right amount of voltage, amperage, whatever, that it won't work. So I had to like retake it off and make sure all the wires were hitting everything. So then it was working fine. But yeah, that's all the advice I can give you. I mean, not 100% on all my wire and stuff, so hopefully that helps a little bit. Yo, would you look at that? That's fucking cool.